To get best matches promo code, you simply have to search this on your Google Chrome and then open the first website called Fortune Recommends. In this website, you will see a lot of promo codes and discount code available listed here. You have to click on the show code option. Then you can simply copy the code from this and then paste it on the official website. Now, we will move to the second website called Coupon Follow in front of you. There in this website on the left you can see a lot of simply listed on this 15%, 20% and different type of coupons. Simply select it, copy the coupon from here and then paste it on the merchant page. Now we will move to the third website called promocodes.com. This is also the best and the genuine website. So on the bottom you will see 65% off, 45% off and 15% off. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.